Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in black. Some of the features include electric adjustable side mirrors, towing, 4x4, automatic headlights, fog lights and cargo lights, cruise control, heated steering wheel, phone compatibility, hands-free phone, hands-free media, push-button ignition, AM, FM and Sirius XM radio, navigation, OnStar, backup camera, dual zone climate, AC, heated front seats, leather interior, sunroof, and enough space to comfortably seat 5. So don't miss out on your brand new truck. Hurry into Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our product specialists today.